Okay, so we set up our Testco 8 in this case, and I'm going to jump between Testco 8 and Testco 7 depending on the videos. I'm just coming back to a few of the older ones and actually redoing them based on the new template. So this is Test Company 8, and we go to menu and we go to settings, and basically we are to fill out your company. It's as simple as going through each one of these and providing information. Just filling everything out, turning things on and off. Rather than me do that right now, I'm just going to give you a very, very quick overview, kind of a 45-minute demo as best I can in 3 minutes. So this is the demo site that we're generally going to use. I'll just go full screen on that now. And I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to go to settings. And just let me very, very quickly show you some of the things that we need to set up over the next little while for Test Company 7 or Test Company 8, depending on which video that you're looking at. So we fill out the company settings here. Country, time zone. Time zone is important because when a deal finishes, it looks at the local time zone that you've set within your LMPM app. These are the contact numbers, and you can add as many as you want here. And there's only one place to input contact numbers so that it makes it really simple later on. Addresses, you can have multiple addresses, obviously, multiple locations in different states if that's what you're doing. Social media links go in here. Payment providers, we're going to have a whole video on payment providers and Stripe, but you can have a payment provider allocated at the property level. So let's say you've got 100 properties, 90 of which are domiciled in one particular state or bank account. But you also have a division in Hawaii. Hawaii requires that you have a domiciled Hawaiian bank account. So you want that money going directly to that account. And I'll show you how we do that later. Website, you choose your template. I'm also going to show you how you can not use templates and use WordPress 5.0 and Gutenberg in later videos, which is insanely cool. Put in your logo here. These are the images for the homepage. You can choose your rental group. And just to clarify, I'm doing a 45-minute, very quick demo in here. Owner sign up on off here, and then your footer contact numbers and your footer links go in here. These are your featured properties that you can drag and drop around, which I'm going to show you again in different videos, and the featured products that go onto the booking page, which again I'm going to show you in other videos. Owner portal, turn on or off. And I'm going to show you that in other videos. The CRM, this is a very quick overview of how to set up your email appearance as to how you're communicating with your guests. These templates are insane. They set up basically all of the, you really don't want to be doing free form emails if you can possibly avoid it. So what these do is they allow you to set up these templates for all the various different components of your business, whether it's an e-sign contract or whether it's an email that you want to send to somebody after they've stayed for a booking review, for example. That's all in here. We're going to go through all of these in separate videos. Inbox threads, you can basically create any logic that you want within LMPM, name it as you want within LMPM. CRM settings, this is basically the beginning of the kind of referrals and how you follow up on leads. In this case, we have it set to 2 days. You can, I think it defaults to 7. And we have, this is our email verification. So everything's DKIM verified. So it passes through the various different spam filters. Custom fields, you can basically set up any custom field that you want and add that to a property. We have some clients with, 17 different fields that they can add. These are the defaults: check-in time, check-out time. Obviously, you can change this at the trip level as well as the property level. Minimum age. Very quickly, everything is based on smart contracts. So in this case, we have a default booking policy of 50% on booking and 50% 60 days before. If you want to amend that, then we can do that in here. And again, I'm going to show you that in a separate video. We can have deals, we can have deal groups, we can group deals together. Fees are massive. You can have as many fees as you want. We have some clients with literally 200, 300 different fees. Trip tags. Again, it's really important that we enable your logic. not the other way around. It's really important that the system is malleable enough for that to happen, and we believe we've achieved that for you. These are the trip referrals, and again, I'll go through these in separate videos. Custom trip states, these are states that you can add, like for example, deliver wine, make sure it's ticked off on the booking page, which again I'll show you in a separate video. Travel agents and commissions and how to set that, etc., who gets paid, what it shows, whether or not you want to show it on a statement. That's all done there. We have a full integration with HomeAway version 4.2, including their email API, which is seamless. It's really, really cool. I'm going to go through that in different videos. We also have Rentals United for any other channel that you want. We're likely to go HomeAway, Airbnb, and Rentals United only. And I'll explain that in due course. Work orders. This has actually become a really important part of LMPM, and again I'll show you that in a separate video. And accounting, this is massive. Okay, so in this case we've got owner contracts right now. In the demo site we've only got 2. Taxes, like for clients in multiple states, these can often be 200 or 300, and then you can group those taxes together in various different tax groupings like that. We set up your general ledger. We set up your general ledger settings, and we can do any. We really don't care what type of corporate accounting software that you're using, whether it's QuickBooks Online, Sage, whatever. We can handle anything. And then these are your processing settings. So basically, you can allocate. You can turn on and off when somebody starts with you from a processing basis. And again, with users. You can go into different types of user, and you can set up basically all the required fields that you want without us having to write any code. We'll show you how to do this. So we enable your business logic again. So in permissions, we can click on cleaner, for example, and then you can see the various different screens that user type can see. Okay, so that's a very, very quick overview of LMPM menu settings, and we're going to keep on going with I'm going to try to keep the videos as short as I can. Okay, thanks for watching.